Hey guys, Lance here. I have finished the mini bike and I love this thing. It is so much fun to ride. I've only ridden it around town or around my neighborhood and it is so much fun. I just can't believe how much fun it, and I can't believe it took me so long to get a mini bike. At any rate, let me show you what I did to finish it up. Now there's still a few things I probably should do, but come on, I got things to do. I got places to go, people to see. So the last time was I needed a chain tensioner. So what I came up with was this piece here that you can buy anywhere. It comes with this spring, which I had to drill a hole to add it, but it didn't give it quite enough tension. So I went and found this spring in my tools, and I just drilled a hole here and one here and gave it, and it just tightened it right up. So now the chain's not coming off, the bike's running well. I should probably get a new seat, maybe just repair this one. But it's comfy, it's fine. I hooked up the on-off switch, and how I did that, I basically just soldered new ends on the new wiring, put these two together so I don't have to worry about them, and I can leave this here. Doesn't matter if it's off or on. Wiring comes up to the switch, off and on, works great. So if you recall, when I bought the motorbike, it came with a little 2.8 Life-On motor. Life-On, I don't know how you say it. But here's the motor. It would not start. Couldn't get it to run. However, I have since replaced the carburetor, the hoses, the fuel hoses, and made it perfect. And now that I've done that, this is a running motor. So what do? Have a motor as a backup? Of course not. So I went out and bought a new frame for that little guy that the kids can ride. So now that I have another motor and another frame, we're going to be building the kids' bike. Because like I said, this one, the one I just put together with the 212 Predator on it, I think is way too fast for my kids, my 12 and 10-year-old. So I'm going to put together a little bike for them. Let's go ahead and open this box up. Okay, I've got it all out of the box. It was packaged pretty well. The box itself got beat up in transit, but near as I can tell, everything looks good. It's in quality condition, and we're ready to proceed. So it comes, all the important stuff is in bubble wrap, even all the bolts. It comes with a little toolkit, and all the components to put the wheel on, the steering on, and everything. So you notice there's no engine. Well, that's exactly why I bought this kit. It came with everything but the motor. I'll put a link to it in the video, but I purchased it from gopowersports.com. So far I'm impressed that it came earlier than they said it would, so I'm excited about that. Plus it's black, it looks good, it looks cool. Once we get the motor on, the wheels on, we're going to be rocking and we're going to be rolling, and the kids are going to be super excited. So let's keep going. Alright guys, that's it for today. So I bought the Mega Moto mini bike kit, the one without the engine, because I already have one. Next video I'm going to work on mounting this motor. But so overall, I'm super impressed with the quality of this. It didn't come with any instructions, but I didn't need them. I know what I'm doing, and I'm sure you can figure it out too. It's not that hard. The seat is awesome. I think it looks great. I love the color. I think the kids are going to love it. So next video, we'll get the motor on and we'll do some riding. Thanks, guys. See you around.